Hello everyone, welcome to TrinoCode. So today we are going to learn how we can use HTML element in several ways. So using HTML element, first of all, what we need to do is we need to go to settings and then in general tab up here, you need to check this box, expose the option to add an ID attribute to HTML element. If it is unchecked, then check this. And now if I'll go to design and I have made this repeating group type as vertical scrolling with 4 rows and 1 column. So if I'll now preview it, so you can see this scroll bar is coming. So we actually, what we can do is we can remove this scroll bar using HTML element. We can customize it. So how we can do this is like we can just simply add HTML element like this, and we have like a WebKit scroller code, have WebKit scroller code. So it's like same, it's like this. So here you can see it's rpprd, this id. What we need to do is we need to put this id in the repeating group up down here in this id attribute. So if I now go to this page again, so now you can see like this is now customized. Okay, we can also change the color of this like by going to up here. If you can see, we can change it to like white or anything which we want. So if we will change it to white, then it will be like if our background is white, then it will merge with that background only. So now you can see like it's almost like it's not visible up here. So it will like if we use the background color same as the scroller color, then it will obviously be hidden. So second use of HTML element is we can use any we can use HTML element as an iframe. Like I have added this HTML element and put it as the put a iframe YouTube code up here in both these elements. Okay, so I if I'll now preview it, so if we'll go down, so we can see the same video link which we have added. It's up visible up here. So I have also added these two inputs, and I have added one condition up here in HTML element. When this input a value is not empty, then this will run. And what here we have I have done is in, in place of this YouTube code, I have added this input a value. And other how we can do and the other ways, like we can use the whole iframe course, copy and paste it up this input up in this input, and then we can use like input b's value. Now if I'll do like if I'll in this first one, we just need to add the YouTube. So now you can see it's changed accordingly, and in the second one we'll add the full iframe code. Yeah, so it is also working. So other part, like we can use this HTML element in using the swipe feature. Like we can use this HTML element, we can add any HTML code, and then what we can do is we can use this HTML element for basically for the swipe purpose in mobile. And to see the video for how we can use swipe gesture in mobile, so you can go through this link Thank you, everyone.